Hey friends, you need to see this. Trust me, it's worth it. I've seen tons of products online, but this one stands out. It's simple, well-made, and the results speak for themselves. Thousands of positive ratings don't lie. Go see it for yourself. The link's right there in the description.
Hey friends, you need to see this. Trust me, it's worth it. The feedback from other buyers has been incredible. People love how it performs, and after using it myself, I totally agree. Trust me, you'll want to click that link in the description and grab yours today. Okay, not gonna lie, this one's kinda crazy good. So many people are talking about it because it actually delivers. Smooth performance, solid design, and it's super easy to use. Definitely worth checking out. Check it out through the link below. You'll see exactly why it's so popular. Wait a sec, before you scroll, check this out. It's rare to find something that's both affordable and
Hey friends, you need to see this. Trust me, it's worth it. I've seen tons of products